today's video, I want to show you step by step how to bake your home bread at home. So it's very simple, it's very straightforward. We need plain flour. Some people call it purpose flour. Oh, here we call it plain flour. Okay, then you are going to be needed your yeast, sugar, salt, or salt or yeast or sugar. Yeast is very important. So salt and sugar is optional. You want to apply sugar or condensed milk to give you a nice taste, to make it sweet. That is the reason why. So you can, is either you choose margarine or plain butter or salted butter. If you are going to be using salted butter, you are going to be exclude salt. But if you are going to be using oil, you have to add salt. Okay, so follow my procedure step by step. And one thing I want to tell you, the honest, I want to tell you, I've never seen where you prepare your bread with yeast and you say that after minutes or 5 minutes you can bake the bread. To be honest, I think that is false. Okay, to make a good home bread, you need overnight. Let the yeast faded away. Let the heat weak, so that you are not going to be tasted yeast. So the bread I'm going to make with you today, I've already soaked the bread with yeast since yesterday around 7, and here in Ireland it's 11 o'clock, and the bread, the flour is already raised with the yeast. The yeast is smelling in the kitchen. That is good yeast. So you are going to be using instant yeast or dry yeast, any form of yeast, but please leave it overnight. Make it in the evening and you can start baking your bread the following day. Okay, let me turn the camera to the bread. Let's roll it. Let's bake the bread. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button or notification bell. It should be in case if I upload any how to make food or any of my cooking or any of my baking, you will be among of the first people to be notified. It's free to click notification bell, and it is free to click subscribe or comment or share this video. Subscribe to my channel so that you can be part of the family. That's behind. So the full video is going to. So this is the following day. So I'm going to. So the temperature of my oven is going to be 180 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead with your bread. So this will make the bread have nice texture like African bread. So guys, this is the finishing of my bread. Okay, so leave it cold. Okay, you can leave it so you can slice. It's hot, guys. Look at that. Okay, so that is your bread. Okay, this is agege bread.